Guys, I'm a little late for Ntololo Maraji but engineering night photo shoot, so they're busy there. So I just want us to go in and see what's happening. Please follow me. Okay, so please explain everything what's happening.
What's going on here is what we call a mission statement. I look then got photo shoot at post. No. I'm engineering night. We don't do posters. We do mission statements. So what is happening now? A little mission statement. In the absence of my partner Chalwa, so what So one of the is a mission statement. It's a poster for the Verbal Engineering Night 2019. Community hall in 26th of December. Two ticket, 100 rand generally. There are VIP 500 rand. It's limited. Look, sir, VIP won't make a shoot. So is one of the photographers. We have limited time, so so long.
Yeah. Okay.
Could take what the peak, the thing at the track of post time.
Oh,
2019.
enough, Miracle.
I think we don't know when I did.
I'm sick. Makeup Comelaine. So, Casino got picture. Hello, Mijat. Mababa Changan. Okay, Monosingam Fadela. So in Kukunja.
And all my life, I love you, babe.
Yeah, man.
Okay, go on.
Yeah.
So, with the photographer, Sana.
Yeah.
So, pull up budget.
We're not about basic promotional training next to Friday.
Yeah,
We're not about basic promotional training next to Friday.
Yeah. I'll pull up budget, film, budget. It's a work of venue.
Yeah, I had some. I'm not sure, but I'll be there.
It's a big
I'll be a program director. MC, yes, correct, because most of the Maraj is a pastor, so I'll be the MC.
You'll be the MC. Okay.
And he's the guy. He trusted me.
With this thing.
Yeah, and what I heard about it, he started with Buddhi, so the standard now, I need to put the standard, like, I don't know. But I know this guy, and I will make it about him. The whole show will be about him. I've been through...
Okay.
Very short period of time, but it was worth it. Until I'm here.
Well, the good thing about this whole thing is so quiet.
We just find a way to filter the important things, like like having a problem.
We're going to lyrical engineering. It's called lyrical engineering.
Hi, how are you?
This is leadership preaching show. She takes care of us. There's no verbal engineering guide with her here. And we just thank God for her. See,